Welcome to today's video. We have a lot to clean and lots of things to do, so let's go ahead and get started. Of course, a little bit of snuggles, and then I'm going in with my Tineco S5 to get some mopping and vacuuming done because I cannot start cleaning without a clean floor. And normally I do this before I clean it and after I'm done cleaning. It's almost the 4th of July, so a lot of preparation. Let's start with breakfast today. We're just making some waffles. So both kiddos are gonna get waffles. I'm gonna also make some little hash browns here. I'm going to air fry them and then make some eggs for Isaac. Elijah is allergic to them, so unfortunately he cannot just have straight eggs. And of course we're gonna do lots and lots of cleaning today. And how delicious do these waffles look? And if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, I posted about this pan. It's the Always pan. I absolutely love it. I use it every single day. My plate here, some waffles, eggs, hash brown. Same thing with Isaac. Elijah's allergic to eggs, so he's just gonna get waffles and hash browns. You want some syrup with your waffles? There's hash browns and waffles. So if you're not following me on TikTok yet, go ahead and follow me. I'll link everything in the description, the products I use, the links to Amazon, my TikTok. Isaac is such a good eater. He ate a lot of this except the waffle, but I cannot get my other child to eat. That kid will just drink milk all day, and of course, it's time for coffee. And I absolutely love this Breville machine. I love this coffee at home so much better. It tastes like coffee shop coffee, a lot better than Starbucks. And I've been practicing on my coffee art, but I really messed up, so I'm gonna insert a different clip of coffee art because it's gonna look a lot better. So let's just act like my coffee turned out like this. This is probably my best coffee art I did. So let's enjoy breakfast and start tackling our to-do list. My goal, and I'm this close, is making a $10,000 month of revenue. Friday night we went out and celebrated my aunt's birthday. We grabbed some sushi and then we went over to Crave to grab some dessert after that. 50th birthday! Happy birthday to you! So now it's Saturday morning and I was filming content for products that I had to do collabs with. And then later on, Elijah found out that Grandpa went mushroom picking without him. So of course we had to go take him. And then we just did a walk around the forest and the kids absolutely loved it.
Come on, Elijah, follow.
What?
There was a lizard here.
Where is she?
You got it? Yeah! Okay, come on, let's go. Then after that, we got a little muddy, so we headed off to the car wash, and the kiddos absolutely love this. But our SUV is so messy from this past week. The kids ate a lot inside the car, so let's go ahead and get that cleaned up. And there's nothing more satisfying after a nice, good clean. Nice and clean. He's cleaning up the windows and do the pickup. And then after, clean the windows. Good to go. On Sunday, we went to a birthday party and the kids just had so much fun. The theme was called Fast One for our first birthday party, and they absolutely had so much fun. We said our goodbyes, ended our weekend, and now we're ready to start our weekdays. So instead of having my second coffee, I'm going to do super greens, Looks like my ice is stuck on the bottom. And let's go ahead and plop one in. Added more water, but do with what we have. Alright, I'm just gonna get my lid on. So I already kind of cleaned a little bit of this, but I really want to get this more organized. So I'm going to get into this section and clean everything up. Like, we need to refill these. These are basically empty. Got to order new ones. Kind of reorganize the stuff down here. A little after, still have to organize that stuff. Cleaned up a lot of stuff inside there. So as I have the robot cleaning, I'm going to go through this pile of clothes, rip the tags off, and get it ready to wash. He does go a little crazy in the room. So anyways, there is these bins that I have to go through of toys and figure out what to keep and not to keep. And open this up. This one I think is going to be a lot of keeps because this is one that's supposed to already have been made to go downstairs. And then he is 9 months going to be soon, so I have to go through those and see what clothes are for now. All right, so now we have a keep pile, and then these are going to be keeps as long as, oh, these are also keeps. This one, that one. So going to figure out if I can find these so the little one can play with these. And this is my donate pile, so I have to bring that downstairs as well. And I think instead of donating these, we can put them into their sandbox. All right, let's see what size this is. Oh, this is 12 to 18 months, 9 to 12 months. So he might be able to wear some of this stuff. All right, I didn't look too hard, but I'm missing one piece from this one, which is this one and the monkey one. But I completed this one, so let's go ahead and let Isaiah play with this. Let's go ahead and try the puzzles. You want to try puzzles? You can come try puzzles, Isaac. Oink, oink. And it fit! Careful. Gentle. So he wants to try. So sit down. Sit down. Uh-huh. Oh. No. No. Is that yes? So as we can see, he absolutely loved it. So let's go ahead and go outside. This is another summer favorite that we just got off Amazon. And if you're interested, I will have this linked in my bio underneath my Amazon storefront under toddler must-haves or else like summer play. So we did this over and over again for a while, and then we took a break. And then when Isaac woke up, he also wanted to play with it. So we went back outside and played with it as well. And now it's officially 4th of July. We don't have any plans. I'm planning on just kind of cleaning in the morning. Eddie has to go to work on Friday, so maybe we'll do a weekend trip after he gets home on Friday. So let's go ahead and start some cleaning. Honestly, I get asked so much times what vacuum this is, and this is a Shark Navigator. I've had it since 2017. I've had 3 Dysons break, and this one is still the MVP. Anyone else's kids touch the windows right after they're clean, my kids do it all the time. Head out. We stopped by McDonald's because they have these little toys. I think they had like him before. Wait, no.
The red one.
The red one?
Yeah, with the hat.
Okay, so we had that one. Oh, this one would be so cool. So I think one of them was a plain one. Can you show me what you got? Oh, okay, that's a new one. Turn him. Is that the robber one? What did he have? Oh, the same one? Which one is that one? The Mega Dave. He's like, I don't want it. Yeah? I'm just gonna do a quick pickup. At Target, we have to go to 2. Maybe if you're gonna be good, okay? Dad went to go do pickup with the other boys. We need to go do a pickup. Mama just forgot some stuff. You still want it? They're so stinky. They're gonna stink up the house, buddy. Let's get toy instead, yeah? See, so they have, let's see. They have classic, strawberry. Let's get this one. I have strawberries. Look in the cart. They're already in the, right there. Crash into anyone. How fast do you want me to go? Nice. So Elijah is selecting this. So let's go ahead and grab him that. It's a gemstone dig kit.
I guessed it.
Elijah got his toy and we're heading home. Getting the Starby for hubby. So as we wait, I'm gonna drink my Olipop. He's holding on to dear life with his rocks. I see you. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, of course. Sorry about the wait.
No, you're good. Thank you. You want to try that? There goes Eddie making the walk of shame. There. It's beyond drinkable. Let's see. Too nice to say something. Just wanted to show you guys the Target bucket. Isn't it cute? Did I need it? Probably not, but we always need buckets. So we got this little activity for Elijah set up. There you go. Oh, keep breaking it. Oh, did you find a rock already? Show Mama. Okay, keep going.
There's more. Look, there's one more. There's one more. Should be more. I think there's one.
Faster. Hold on, slow down. The rocks that we got. Now Isaac is trying. You gotta hit.
Just have to clean it up.
You're gonna look at them? Like, yeah. So it helps you look at them, yeah? So do I need this side or this side? Okay. That cool?
Yeah.
You want to see what all the rocks are all about? Now the kids are off to nap, so I'm going to go ahead and finish working, editing this video, and uploading it. I might make another coffee, and then just going to plop myself over here and finish everything I need to on my laptop. So if you guys enjoy this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.